Have you ever wondered what are YouTube strategies? Do you often wonder how to adopt these strategies? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of putting the practical YouTube strategies? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about YouTube strategies. Now let's get into it. YouTube marketing. YouTube is one of the best viewed sites nowadays on the internet. This is the main reason why YouTube marketing is perhaps the most popular and easiest way to drive traffic to your website and attract more customers. Logically, increased traffic means increased sales online. One of the benefits is that YouTube is free and it draws the public more compared to any Web 2.0 site. To get started on YouTube marketing, you have to follow 5 simple steps. The first step is to have a video on hand that you will be using. This can be done either by creating a video or finding something related to your niche already uploaded in YouTube. Second, be sure to choose videos that are good and pleasing to the eyes of the customer, if ever, especially if you have a plan of using them as part of your YouTube marketing strategy. Third, edit the video to make it more related to your niche. By using callouts, you can place your website on it. Moreover, do not forget to put a blank space where you will write the sales message. Fourth, do not forget to give some allowance, such as a number of seconds, to prevent the succeeding videos from popping in after the customer has watched the video. This is to give him or her time to digest what has been watched, especially the sales offer. The last step in YouTube marketing is to upload the video and get backlinks. This is the most important part of YouTube marketing because backlinks are very significant. Marketers use YouTube carefully. What is one more thing that online marketers love about YouTube marketing is that the site allows you to take out or delete your YouTube marketing videos very easily. For example, let's say someone said or left an offensive comment about your video, or said something derogative about your product. You might now change your mind about still keeping the video, since you cannot edit the comments and the bad comment might ruin the reputation you have. The site has a feature wherein you can easily take out the YouTube marketing video. The damage still has been down, but at least you can stop it from doing more damage to your reputation. However, even if the site still has this feature, refrain from putting haphazard or offensive YouTube marketing videos as well. Even if you can easily take them out, there are some people who might have already posted your video somewhere else, and this is practically impossible to track. This is the reason why you should plan the material you are showing on the video and exercise caution before you actually post your YouTube marketing videos. Examine the content of your videos before uploading them and making them available to a lot of people. While you know that you cannot please everyone, you still need to be concerned about how you and your product appear to the majority. Do not make fun of or joke about race, religion, or way of life. You do not want to create a negative name for your product, because as mentioned before, it can haunt you later on, even after you have deleted it. Just exercise caution and you will hit it off well. YouTube marketing. YouTube is probably the most famous, the largest, and the most visited site today. It has stable traffic and almost everyone has a YouTube account. This is the reason why it is a perfect place to promote and advertise a product. There are some steps that you must do for marketing your product and your company on YouTube. The first is to add as many friends as you can, then use the invite to subscribe feature. You can also use the share options function on YouTube to share all your uploaded videos to all your YouTube friends or share videos by emailing other people the link to your YouTube. Then, you can post on bulletin boards so your friends can easily notice you. Additionally, your YouTube profile should look presentable and appealing to your target customers. But video marketing using YouTube does not end there. You have to keep your YouTube account fresh and regularly updated. Customers would want to see something new about you, and you should let them know that you are very willing to keep in touch with them. Start posting videos that are related to your product, such as ways on how to use it, where to buy it, and the advantages of your product, and post video testimonials of your satisfaction. These are very helpful tips that you can follow if you want to use YouTube as your marketing medium. You will be encountering lots of competitors that are also marketing their products, so you should always be prepared. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about YouTube strategies. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.